Hey riders! Jose 360 here once more, and welcome to another episode of Motoworld 360. Today, we're checking out the newest Rio 2025 helmet collection. So ikaw, depende, no? We're looking at the collection. Ikaw ba, anong trip mo? More on the retro, classic side? O gusto mo sporty? Gusto mo ba medyo minimalistic? O nandun sa complete ng mga bells and whistles? Any type of rider, any preference, let's take a look. Baka malay mo, dito sa Rio 2025 collection, mahanap mo ang next helmet mo. Sana all, nahahanap. Diba? Let's start with the Classic and Retro series. Okay, to start off the Classic and Retro series, what I have here, dito sa gitna, ito ang Rio RF6V. Retro Classic, full face helmet with a slick finish. Ayan siya, oh. Very, very minimalist. Ang isang maganda dito sa helmet na to, pansin niyo sa harap, wala siyang logo or any additional textures. It's very clean. This is a single visor helmet. Yan siya. Naka-double D-ring na strap for safety, and it is certified for ECE 2206 standards. So, makita natin, very classic ang feel, very minimalist. Ang maganda dyan is, look at the liners inside. Yung liners niya, it has leather and very nice texture, giving it the very retro and premium finish, all for the price of $3,990. And, maliban dyan, all those features, ang interesting thing with the Rio RF6V is, kung mapapansin nyo, nakakabit dito is a dark smoke visor. It comes with a clear visor free. Kasama na siya doon. All for $3,990. Next, we have the RF5V. Ito naman, neoclassic look na may premium feel. Meron din siyang actually carbon na variant. You can check that one out also. But what we have here in front of me is the standard version. Also, similar sa RF6V, this is single visor. Very neoclassic look, premium feel, lightweight, yet very strong and very safe. Similar to RF6V, it's still double D-ring and DOT certified naman siya. Kung mapapansin nyo, no, medyo may kamukha siyang mga other styles, more expensive helmets, pero sa presyong as low as $7,990, you get the neoclassic look, Joporms na Joporms, nang hindi ka mapapa sa presyo. Still on the retro and classic side of Rio, kung ang trip mo naman is versatility, yung naiiba-iba, you can check out the Rio RO5V. Ito yun. Drop down yung kanyang sun visor, still double D-ring strap, very, very premium ang kanyang liner. And removable yung chin bar, so it's very versatile. Meron ka, you can have it Street Fighter full face mode. You can have it very retro, open face helmet. Bagay na bagay sa mga heritage bikes out there. Pwede pang chill ride, pwede pang mga kape-kape, pwede rin kung trip mo, gusto mo magpakapogi during the long ride, pwede pa rin naman, walang pipigil sa'yo, hindi natin pinagbabawal sa batas yan. Now, let's go sporty. What I have here on my right, this one is the RF4S. Sporty, full face helmet with dual visor. May maraming air vents. You can have your air vents sa harap. May mga air vents siya sa likod. May mga exhausts sa likod. May exhausts sa gilid. May vent sa chin. So lahat, buong mukha mo hahanginin. So maraming air vents, presko kahit summer. Unlike yung mga classic natin, this one is quick release strap for easy wear. ECE 2206 certified. Pang everyday na medyo aggressive ang datingan. At syempre, para sa mga naka-scooter, chill city rides, and gusto natin open face, we have the RO4SV. So, it's still half face with a sporty twist. Kitang-kita sa shape. Still has the vents. Ganda-ganda ng kanyang shell. Very sporty ang datingan. Kahit ito, medyo oversized yung kanyang mechanism, giving it that very modern and sporty look. Quick release strap, 2206 certified, simple, safe, stylish. That's the RO4SV. So whether you ride for style, speed, comfort, or whatever, whether pogi ride, long ride, fast riding, there might be a Rayo helmet for you. Baka may Rayong helmet na nababagay para sa riding style mo. So riders, which of the helmets we discussed today ang pinaka nagustuhan nyo? You can comment down below and share your thoughts with us. And of course, marami tayong variants, maraming models, maraming colors. Still best to check them out yourself. You can visit any MotoWorld, Motomarket, or MotoStyle branch near you, or you can also check them out online at www.motoworld.com.ph. Also available sa ating official shops in Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok. Once again, this was Jose 360. Ride safe, ride smart. Kita-kits sa next episode ng MotoWorld 360, and to make sure that you don't miss out on the latest, subscribe and like our posts and videos at the MotoWorld Philippines official YouTube channel. See you!